Every year, thousands of butterflies come to the Maolin Valley in Taiwan. They fly here just before the winter in search of warmth to survive the colder months. In this valley, there are more butterflies than people. In fact, the local native community is small. There are only 600 people who live here. Ubaek lives in the Maolin Valley. As an artist, he is inspired by God's designs in nature. Tourists admire his unique art, including his favorite pieces, which are patterned after the butterflies. Ubaek has used these amazing creations to cover the Maolin Seventh-day Adventist Church building, both on the outside and the inside. He has also dedicated some of his other intricate pieces to beautify the church. Ubaek's charming and colorful metal butterflies help to make this church stand out among many other Christian denominations in this community. However, it's not the metal, wooden, or cloth ornaments that make this church known in the community. Every day, a group of local Adventists start the day with prayer. In the early morning, they ask God to bless their efforts to reach the people around them. Then they read from God's Word and stretch their muscles to begin an important ministry. Today, they will complete their 339th lap around and through the community. This is the Maolin Church's walking and praying ministry. Like butterflies that fly from flower to flower, these Seventh-day Adventists walk from house to house. As church members pour into the streets, they smile and warmly greet their neighbors. When someone invites them into their home, they pause to pray for the many who are in need there. And when they leave the home, the people feel blessed by the visit. During the trek, church members also stop at their own homes for a special prayer. Each member of the Walking and Praying Ministry also hosts a small group Bible study on a rotating basis. In these small groups, they pray daily for their neighbors who are learning about the Bible. These walking butterflies pollinate their community with God's love. Because of this ministry, the Maolin Adventist Church membership has doubled over the last 3 years. Members have also grown closer to each other and to Jesus. Please pray for the Butterfly Church and for the Christ-like ministry they do here.